What if Ghana's next big money move wasn't just about gold or cocoa, but building factories? The 2026 budget is all about industrialization, and here's why it matters to you as an investor. The 2026 budget promises to transform Ghana's economy by moving from selling raw materials to making things right here at home. They're funding industrial parks in places like Kumasi, Tamale, and Takoradi, zones designed to attract factories with the right infrastructure. A new Feed the Industry policy will connect farmers to local factories, boosting made-in-Ghana products. This push for industrialization is expected to create over 300,000 new jobs by 2028, which is huge for the economy. The Development Bank Ghana will provide affordable financing to support these new industrial businesses. With better standards, Ghanaian products will meet international quality, making them competitive globally. More factories mean more local businesses could go public, giving you more investment options. Less reliance on imports strengthens the economy, which could lead to better returns on your investments. Job growth means people have more money to spend, benefiting local businesses and your investments. Industrialization is a long-term play, but getting in early could pay off big time. If Ghana can make more of its own products, that's real wealth creation. This budget isn't just about the next year, it's a long-term transformation plan for the economy. Even if you don't invest directly in factories, sectors like energy and transport will benefit too. So, what do you think? If Ghana builds 1,000 more factories, which sector would you invest in and why?